into the topic, which is around mental health, well-being, the ability to communicate and share, and not really reach a stage where you have to end up taking your life, which is extremely, extremely sad. So let's get to the basics, and let me, Dr. Rahul, start with you. Uh, Many of us really face a lot of boredom. We get bored very easily, we get bored very fast. Any suggestions, any ideas of how do we really deal with this boredom? Because I think that's the starting point, because, uh, when you really get bored, the mind goes in all directions and it just starts the whole spiral effect. So what are your thoughts, Dr. Rahul?
Sahil, can you come again? Because I was getting other call, so I couldn't hear you properly.
Okay. Dr. Machiswala, did you have a chance to hear me on that question? Maybe we can hear you and then I can come back to Rahul post that. Dr. Machiswala? Okay, I'll repeat my question very quickly. I said, Dr. Rahul, the starting point essentially is boredom, right? So when we all get bored, then an empty mind goes in all directions, leading to spiral effects. So any suggestions on how to deal with boredom?
I'm repeatedly getting calls, Sahil, from a patient. I'm just disconnecting the phone.
Sure.
In short, just come again, please, because that patient is calling me repeatedly.
No, sure, doctor. Completely understand. I'll keep it very brief. Any suggestions on how do we deal with boredom?
Suggestion how to deal with?
Boredom, getting bored. Because people get bored very easily.
Boredom. Yeah, boredom. Yes. See, at the outset, Sahil, let me tell you, we are gathered over here for a noble cause, but with a bad reason. Suicide of the Sushant is not a good reason to get gathered over here. And a very important question that how to overcome your boredom. We keep doing many things in life. We want to achieve many things in life, and we are always on our toes to achieve those things. But with a slight boredom, with a slight lousy day, you really get sometimes upset with activities and all. Like nothing is happening in life, then you get bored, and that may lead to you. You are upset for some while. That is okay, but if that carries on, that might lead to your mental agony or mind agony that can lead to a depression also. So there are many ways you can kill your boredom. Like you can get first thing is like get into your hobbies. Start cultivating your hobbies. Think what you can do, what you want to do, achieve in life. What you wanted to do and you're not done now. Please start doing that. Take out some time for yourself. For your own mind. That's very, very important. Talk to your friends when you're really getting bored, when you're really getting upset, enthusiasm is not there around. So just give a call to your friend and talk random. You don't require any topic for discussion and all. So that is a thing. And very much important, the way I carry with me, like a book is my best thing which I can kill my boredom with the books. People think that I'm fond of reading, but I don't know whether they are actually reading it. Always like you can fill up the hobby as a reading, but how many books you're reading, that is very questionable. But if you really follow your hobby properly, getting along with your friends, your hobbies, and some activities which will really give you some enthusiasm and special time, a very quality time with your family.